Welcome back, lawn amateurs. And as you can see what's in front of you, look at this grass. It's like fully grown, pretty much overgrown. This is side number 2. Yeah, look at that. And then you got side number 1 over there. The grass is really overgrown. It actually grew in real nice and thick. Let me take you to this. So this spot actually came in the best. This spot right here is super thick. I actually haven't got a chance to get the first cut off. And if you look at the previous videos, you can see that basically the grass is just growing. I think the last time you seen the grass, it was probably in about a few inches, just filling in. But now, over the last week, we've been getting rain like every other day. So I wasn't able to actually come out here and get the first cut off because I didn't want to cut the grass while it was wet. So today is actually the second consecutive day that we didn't have rain, so the grass is pretty much dried out. So out there, let me get a cut off on it now because we are actually supposed to get a thunderstorm tomorrow. So I wanted to actually just get this trimmed up, get it back under control. I got this spot here that I overseed, basically reseeded. It's still growing in. It's taking its sweet time growing in, but it is filling in. Basically, the sprout and pout stage of the grass, what they like to call it. But let's get the first cut off. We got a visitor. That's my little dog here. He came out the back. Hey, boy. Hey, look at that. Look at that. All right. All right. He came to visit. But, all right. So as you can see here, the first cut on side number 2 actually went pretty decent. It was all right. I discovered that the grass was still slightly wet, but it wasn't too bad. I would actually got a cleaner cut if the grass was a little drier, and I actually discovered that. This is why I actually got some parts that like clumped up like this, because it's still wet. So. But I had to get it done. You see how high the grass was? It was growing rapidly because of all the fertilizer that was the starter fertilizer and Milorganite with it. So the light spots in the grass are where the weeds were. You see over there. You see the little patches that I have. There's a couple. It's one right there, one right here. The corner where the rock was at, let's focus. Corner where the rock was at. Those spots are coming in, like this spot also. The grass is coming in, it's growing in nice, but like I said, it's in that little stage of its sprout and pout. But overall, this is the first cut. This is that corner that was real thick. It came out decent. I can't complain. The cut'll get better as the season go on. Check it out. See, this is that thick spot. This spot is really, really thick. This spot came in very well. I got some spots where the wheels rolled over, and it didn't get chopped, so I gotta actually probably rake these spots up, and then I'll just ride over it with the lawnmower. But for the first cut, can't complain. And this is only one side. Tell me what you think. The lawnmower didn't do a bad job. Like I said, I'm gonna sharpen the blade. Probably by the next cut, the blade will be sharpened, so I'll get an even better cut. I'm not gonna do my edges yet. I'm not gonna do any edging. I'm gonna let the edges grow in a little bit more, and then so I can get a clean edge on that. But just what you think. Tell me what you think. How the first cut came out.